Welcome! Have you ever closed a tab in Google Chrome by accident and instantly regretted it? Don't worry. Restoring recently closed tabs is quick and easy, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it on your Chrome app. Let's jump right in. Imagine you're browsing, maybe you've got a few important tabs open, and suddenly, oops, one disappears. Instead of panicking, here's what you need to do. First, open the Chrome app on your device. You'll see your usual home screen or whatever page you last visited. Now, look up to the top right corner of your screen. See those three vertical dots? That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, find and tap on Recent Tabs. This section is your lifesaver. It keeps a list of all the tabs you've closed recently. You'll see a list of web pages you've visited, and if you've just closed a tab by mistake, it should be right at the top. Now all you have to do is scroll through the list and select the tab you want to restore. Just tap on it, and Chrome will instantly bring that page back, right where you left off. It's that simple. This feature is especially helpful if you're juggling research, shopping, or just have a lot of tabs open at once. No more losing your place or scrambling to remember what you were looking at. And here's a pro tip. If you're using Chrome on your computer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus T to reopen your last closed tab instantly. But on your mobile device, the steps we just covered are the fastest way to get your tabs back. So next time you accidentally close a tab, don't stress. Just open Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Recent Tabs, and pick the one you want to restore. Problem solved. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.